Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to automatically generate captions in Canva. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Canva. Log into your account or sign up if you're new. Once you're inside Canva, click on Create a Design and choose a video format, or open an existing video project. Now, upload your video if it's not already in your project, simply drag and drop it into Canva. After adding your video to the timeline, click on the video clip. Then, go to the top menu and look for the Apps or More option and find the Captions feature. Click on Captions and then select Auto Generate Captions. Canva will now automatically analyze your video and generate captions based on the audio. Wait a few seconds while the captions are created. Once done, you can edit the captions text, adjust timing, and customize the style, like font, size, color, and position. Make sure to review everything carefully and correct any mistakes. Finally, when you're satisfied, click on Share and then download to export your video with captions. And that's it. You've successfully added auto-generated captions in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.